In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Reddit post. If you found something interesting, useful, or entertaining on Reddit and want to send it to someone else, the good news is that it only takes a few clicks. Reddit makes sharing posts very simple, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what options you'll see once you open the share menu. To begin, go to your Reddit home dashboard. This is the main Reddit feed where you can browse posts from the communities you follow, along with other content shown in your home view. Once you're there, take a moment to scroll through your feed and find the specific post you want to share. Make sure you've selected the right one before moving on, especially if you're planning to send it directly to someone or post it elsewhere. When you've found the post you want, click on the share icon on that post. This icon is usually located underneath or near the post content, alongside other actions like commenting or saving. The share button opens the post's sharing options, and this is where Reddit gives you a few different ways to distribute the content depending on what you need. After you click the share icon, you'll see the available sharing methods. From here, you can copy the link, which is one of the easiest options if you want to paste the post into a message, email, or another platform manually. You may also see an embed option, which is useful if you want to place the Reddit post on a website or blog that supports embedded content. In addition to that, Reddit also lets you share directly to platforms like X and WhatsApp. If you choose one of these, Reddit will usually open that app or sharing window for you so you can continue the process there. This can save time if you already know where you want the post to go. A helpful tip here is to choose the sharing option based on how you plan to use the post. Copying the link is best for flexibility, embedding is great for websites, and direct sharing works well for quick social or messaging app posts. And that's all there is to it. Once you open the share menu, just pick the option that suits your needs, and your Reddit post will be ready to share.